There is a man in this story who made a fortune and then lost all of it. Then he made it back, and this time it stayed. He had started with almost nothing, and a small loan he was not sure he could repay. He opened one store selling fitness equipment in a business he barely knew. Within a few years, that one store had become a chain. On paper, he was a millionaire, and he was still a young man. And then, almost as quickly, it was gone. Poor decisions, loose management, and money that ran out through his fingers. He was broke again, in the same body, with the same mind, which is the part that stayed with him. The money had changed, he had not. So when he rebuilt it, he rebuilt himself first. That man is Harv Eker, and the book is Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Its claim is uncomfortable, and it is the reason the fortune left the first time. Your income can grow only to the extent that you do. Eker says every person carries a money blueprint, set long before they can remember. It was written by what you heard about money as a child, what your parents said, what they did, what happened at the table when the bills came. That blueprint runs quietly, the way a thermostat holds a room at one temperature. Set the thermostat to 68 and the room stays near 68. Open a window on a cold day and the room dips, and the thermostat pulls it back. Money behaves the same way. A person set for a small amount can win a large one and drift back to small. The lottery winners who are broke in a few years are not simply unlucky. Their setting was never changed. Eker's own setting was low, so the first fortune had nowhere to rest. You do not get what you want. You get what you are set for. So he studied the people whose settings were high, and the difference was not in what they did, but in what they believed. He wrote the patterns down and called them wealth files. Here is the first. One person believes, I create my life. The other believes, life simply happens to me. The first looks for the lever, the second waits for the weather to change. Here is another. One person plays the money game to win, the other plays only not to lose. And a game played not to lose is a game already half surrendered. One more. One person looks at the opportunity in the room, the other looks at the obstacle in the room. Same door. Two different things seen, and the one Eker says matters most for people who are good at their work. One person is willing to stand up and promote what they offer. The other believes that selling is beneath them and stays quiet. So the quiet one stays hidden and calls it humility. That last one is worth stopping on. A great many skilled people carry it without ever noticing. They can do the work at a high level and will not say so out loud. And a market cannot reward what it cannot find. But a blueprint is not only belief, it is also habit. Eker says the broke manage their money well too. They just manage it steadily toward being broke. So he hands over a system a child could run and calls it the jars. Every dollar that comes in is divided the moment it arrives. 55 cents of each dollar goes to necessities, the roof and the food and the lights. 10 cents goes to a freedom account that is never spent, only invested. 10 cents to longer-term savings for the larger things ahead. 10 cents to learning, because the earner is the real asset. 10 cents to play, spent on purpose and without guilt. And 5 cents given away. The exact amounts matter less than the act. Money handed a job the moment it arrives does not wander off. The book is not really about money. It is about the setting behind the money, the one written before you had a say. And the quiet claim under all of it is that the setting can be changed, not the childhood, the thermostat. For anyone who has spent years becoming good at something, that is the door. The skill is already built. The blueprint is the part still open to editing. If ideas like this are worth your time, there is more where this came from. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment with the book you want next.